What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, how are ya? My name is Nicole and I make videos on plus size fashion, makeup, vlogs, and lots of like travel vlogs when we're actually able to travel. If any of that sounds of interest to you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a future video. I also have an Instagram that I update pretty regularly, so if you guys are not following me on Insta, what are you doing? I will have that linked down below as well. Today's video is a Shein curved try-on haul. I got a lot of good things. I'm really excited. A few things didn't quite work out for me, but I will spill all the deets in this video on which pieces worked and which didn't. I also leave all of the items that I haul linked below. Easy shopping for you guys. I try to make it as easy as possible, so definitely check that description box for all of the good things. If you are new to my Shein hauls, this is just a reminder that you can't really order off of Shein based off of size, like 1X, 2X, or 16, 18. You have to go by measurements. I could be a 1X in one top and a 5X in another. The sizing is a little wild, but as long as you go by your measurements, you'll be good to go. I say this all the time, but I measure myself regularly and I keep my measurements in the notes section of my phone just so I always have it. So if I'm out and about or I'm out on the couch and I don't want to get up and try to measure myself, I know I just have it ready to go in my phone. So definitely order from the site based off of your measurements. Trust me. I also have a coupon code to save you guys some extra cash. Code NicoleA15 will save you guys an extra 15% off. All right, without further ado, let's get into this video. The first item I got is a little half and half button up. It is half white, half like this tan color. And it's just a short sleeve button up with a collar. I thought it was kind of cute. It kind of reminds me of like a bowling shirt for some reason. I don't know why. But I feel like with some like skinny, maybe jeans or skinny black jeans, it would be kind of a nice top to wear to work. Just kind of basic, but I do love that half and half trend that's going on. I picked mine up in a 3X and it is not made of a stretchy material. This next one is a freaking favorite of mine. You guys, I have been searching high and low for like a satin, like silky type material in a lime green color. And boy, oh boy, have I found it. This is so cute. It is a long sleeve blouse that kind of comes in a little bit at the waist and then is more like flouncy up top. This top is so freaking cute, so comfortable. This material is not stretchy, unfortunately, but I, to be honest, don't think that this material could be stretchy. Like, you know, that typical just like satiny, like silk material. It does have a zipper detailing on one of the sides. That's how you kind of zip yourself in. And I picked this up in a 3X and I thought the fit was great. Next up, we're going cozy vibes, and I picked up this flannel, but it's thicker than a flannel. It's almost like a jacket type of thickness, but with the flannel look. So this will be really nice for some cold nights or cold days. It's just a yellow and white flannel. It does have buttons going up the front. With this one, there are no pockets or anything. It's literally just the jacket, buttons, collar. No other detailing, but I kind of like it. It's kind of different. And I picked this up in a 4X and it is not made of a stretchy material. All right, let me show you guys a couple things that didn't quite work out for me. The first being these like gingham print pants. I thought these would be nice for work with like a black short sleeve bodysuit under it, but unfortunately they were too tight. I'm telling you guys, my bottom half is my area that is like most difficult for me to dress. I'm not gonna say problem area because we don't have problems on this body. We don't have problems on anybody. All I'm saying is it's the area I find most difficult to find clothes that actually fit. Let's put it that way. So I think they're really cute. This drawstring though is fake, like it does not work. I was kind of mad about that, but I got these in a 4X. And if they have a 5X, I might hop on and get it. I'm not sure. But very cute, got pockets, not made of a stretchy material. The next item that didn't quite work out for me is this set. It is a two-piece set, top and pants. First you have this plain blue top, and then the bottoms are more like slacks. And I love this color, you guys. I actually love this material too. It's like a very thin, but like not in a bad way, kind of a material. I feel like if these fit, I would totally rock them to work. Even like, maybe not with that top, like that might be too matchy-matchy, but even with some other kind of a top. I don't know, I just really liked them a lot. Unfortunately, they were just too tight on me. This material is not stretchy at all, and I picked the setup in a 3X. All right, another pair of wants. What the hell are wants? Okay, another pair of pants that I got that I thought would be good for work are these. They're very wrinkly. I'm so sorry. I did not like air fluff them or anything. They almost have a like that paper bag waist kind of a look to them. They are just like a deep, like almost like olivey, like hunter green. And they're just almost like, you know those Old Navy, what is that material called? Like, you know those pants you wear to the beach? Tweed? Twill? Twa? I don't know. Anyway, it's almost kind of like that. The material itself is not stretchy, but the waist is. Now here's the problem. It comes with a belt that is removable, and there is a belt loop in the back, but in the front, if you guys can see that long thing starting here to here is supposed to be a belt loop. One side is open, the other side is not. It's literally sewn shut on both sides. So I don't know if this is something I can just take my little X-Acto knife and break those seams so it can be an active belt loop or what, but it's definitely much cuter when you tie a bow in the front. So we'll see how this works out, but besides that, I love them. Like I said, they're not stretchy, and I picked them up in a 4X. These next pants just straight up gave me life. I love them. They are brown, and they have this very, like, it reminds me of just like 70s, like scarf-like belt. It's so cute. They do zip up on the side. This material, no, it's not stretchy. It kind of has a little give to it, but they're not stretchy whatsoever. But they're kind of like a wide-legged pant. Love these a lot. Think these might be great for work as well, especially in the fall time, but really, really like these. Picked them up in a 4X. All right, the next item, or items, is a little set, and this is so random, but I feel like every time I order from Shein, I have to get a little pajama set because they are my favorite. I wear two-piece pajama sets whenever I'm home. Pretty much whenever I'm home, you can catch me in a two-piece PJ set because I just want to be comfortable. I really do. So this one is a little crop top, and I love crop tops for just hanging around the house because they're just so cool. I feel like air can get up in there, and it's just kind of nice, you know? And I feel like I'm still looking cute. So here's the top. It's just the black, gray, and white tie-dye, and then just some really stretchy, cozy bottoms. So I got these in a size 5X. And I thought they fit perfectly. I love them. All right, we have 3 more items to talk about, and they are all dresses. This one, I love the like shape of it, but the print is a big no for me, dog. It is this very pretty, like peasanty looking dress. The background color is like a pale yellow, and then the floral is so small that it just looks like from afar, kind of like just like a muddy color. I don't know, but I love, love, love everything else about this dress. Like, I just wish it wasn't this print, unfortunately, but the top portion is super stretchy. The rest is not. I got mine in a size, of course the tag isn't right there. I just love that for me. It's usually all the way down at the bottom. Come on. Where you at? Oh, a 3X, and I thought it fit great. Okay, the next one is a white dress, and I'm trying to, every time I place an order somewhere, I try to get something white, just because I know I have a bridal shower coming up, I have rehearsal dinner coming up, a lot of bride-related things. This definitely will not be in the running for any of those dresses, because it is way see-through, but it is just a white dress with lace sleeves, and I think this also threw me off that this lace at the bottom like does not match this lace at all, so it's just kind of odd. I also have the tie belt that comes with it because Shein would not be Shein without putting tie belts with everything. So, I mean, I didn't hate it, I just feel like it's just really see-through. And the mismatched lace situation just was not about it. Got this in a 3X, and I thought the size was great. The last item, once again, a dress. Now, let me preface this by saying I love this print. I just love it. It's like a dusty pink and purple paisley. There's a little periwinkle in there. Like, I love the print a lot. and I feel like the dress has potential. So let me show you the dress and then I'll explain. So this is the dress. Let me give you an up close of the print. Like, I just need you to see that. It is so pretty. I love it. It cinches in here at the waist. It has like this panel with these faux buttons going down the front, and it is just a longer dress. So I love it. I think it fits great. I just think this dress would look a little less like Little House on the Prairie if it was shorter. So I think I'm gonna chop, hem it myself. I have a sewing machine, and we're gonna see how that looks. I feel like it's gonna look way better. Also, I pushed the sleeves up to be like 3/4 sleeves, and I kind of tucked the dress just so I could see the length, and I loved it with the shorter sleeves and the dress being shorter. So I am taking my scissors to this bad boy. I will probably post on Instagram like a little before and after, but other than that, I freaking love this dress. It is a 3X, has slight stretch to it, not crazy stretchy, and I don't know, I really like it. So that was everything for this try on haul. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down below for me, or if you just want to chit chat, leave it down below as well, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. I apologize for being so late in replying to some of you guys. Things have been crazy at work. We have no employees, no substitutes, so if I'm out, there's literally just no teacher in the classroom. If my staff are out, I'm literally with my students completely alone. It's just been a hot mess, so I've been super busy. I've gotten no lunches, no breaks. I apologize, but I reach out, or I reply, I should say, on Instagram a lot more than I do here on YouTube, so follow me there. DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns or whatever it may be. DM me if you guys have any questions at all, and I will get back to you guys ASAP. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.